Guys, it's George. Welcome back to my channel. So today's Worth It Wednesday video is testing the Radiance Spin-Care system from DUVOLLE. So if you want to see how I get on, and also if you want to hear a big discount code, then please keep watching. And if you do enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Okie dokie, so welcome back to another Worth It Wednesday, guys. Apologies, I actually haven't done one of these in a couple of weeks. Things have been super hectic my end. I might do a video sort of in a couple of weeks, like sort of explaining like where I've been, what I've been doing. But yeah, things have just been a little bit crazy my side, so I've not had a chance to film one. But we are back and I'm really excited about this one. So this is what we are testing out today. So this is the DUVOLLE Radiance Spin-Care system. So DUVOLLE actually reached out to me and asked if I'd do like a review type video on their skincare system. And I thought what better way to do it than on a Worth It Wednesday where I can review the product and let you guys know if I think it's worth it. And also they did kindly send me a huge discount code where you can get 70% off one of these. So I will leave that in the comments below along with the link to the system. So I thought first what I would do is sort of like unbox it, talk you through it, and then we will actually try it out and I'll let you guys know like my thoughts and if I think it's any good and all that stuff. But I did used to have something like this a while ago, but it did end up breaking and I loved it because I don't know about you guys, but when you take off all your makeup, like it doesn't always take off all your makeup. Like sometimes it's still got stuff in there, do you know what I mean? Like there's still sometimes stuff on your skin, so using these exfoliating face brushes, like it does really remove like all the makeup from your skin, and obviously that will stop like breakouts and stuff like that. So I really like this. So let's open it and see what it's like. I'm not really sure if this is the best angle, but we will go with it. So this is what you get when you order it. It is from America. But the shipping was actually really quick, so it retails at $95, but I believe with my code you can get it for $28, so like a huge saving. So this is what you get when it arrives. So obviously this is like the little machine, if I can get it out. So this is like the little machine part, and then you just stick the attachment you want on here, and then obviously the pause start button and all that. Does it have batteries in already? I don't even know how to open it. Alright, we'll sort that out in a minute. So it comes with 4 interchangeable accessories. So we have the facial exfoliation brush, which is probably this one, and then we have the large body cleansing brush, this one, the facial cleansing brush, which is this one. I don't know which actually of these two is the exfoliation and which is the cleansing brush, but basically you've got these two here, and then you've also got a pumice stone, which is really good for like hard skin on your feet and stuff like that. So let's have a quick read of what it says. So it says, deeply cleanse your skin with the Radiance Spin-Care system. Rotating movement to achieve cleaner and more vibrant skin all over your body. Includes 4 deep cleansing brush heads designed to reveal your skin as inner radiance. Okay, so here it says, so that's the cleansing one, that's exfoliating one, and then that's the pumice stone. So the cleansing one's like the darker white one. So yeah, I mean it comes with some instructions as well, but I feel like we can like work it out. So obviously if I'm gonna be doing the face one, I want to do the cleansing brush, just to give it like make it a bit more softer on my face. So literally what you do is you get one of these little things, pop it on here, and then it's in, and then okay, very interesting. So that's how you would click and start it, but I don't have any batteries for this. So how do I even get this off? Why is this so hard? Okay, right, we might have to read the instructions to see how I get the batteries out. Okay, oh no, I'm leaving scratches all over it with my rings. I don't know if you guys can see that. But I really am struggling to get this off, guys. Like, oh, there we go. Okay, it's off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go put some batteries in here. Then I'm going to go take my makeup off and we're going to attempt to use this and see how it goes. Okay, hello, I'm in the bathroom. I put batteries in, so it works with batteries, so that's cool. What I'm going to quickly do is just take my makeup off and then cleanse using the cleanser brush and just sort of like, you know, let you guys know how it is, if it feels good, like if my skin feels soft, if it's, I don't know, too rough. So yeah, let's quickly take makeup off and cleanse, and then we'll have a little chat after. Alright, so now time to cleanse. So we're going to be using my e.l.f. Bounce Back Jelly Cleanser, just kind of one that I use on a daily basis. Just basically going to do the exact same thing I normally do, but use my thing to like scrub it in. So I'm using the cleanser brush, not the exfoliator brush. So this is like a brush I think you could use every day. Shouldn't be too like rough on the skin, but let's give it a go and see how it is. Okay, so that is finished cleansing, and as you can see, like, there's so much makeup just come off on that. So I'm gonna wash my face and then we'll wash this brush, and then let's have a little chat about how that just was. Okay, hello, welcome back. I am fresh-faced and feeling so smooth. So I actually don't really use anything like too aggressive on my face to exfoliate it, because I've got quite sensitive skin. So I use sort of like, you know, those exfoliators in like a face wash, like I use that, but I haven't used anything like a brush in such a long time, and I forgot how soft they make my face feel. Like my skin, especially like my forehead here, it feels so soft. So I think that will actually be so good, because I'm gonna like fake tan my face this weekend, and sometimes, you know, if you have a bit of dry skin or like a patch, like it will just stick to it, and I think doing something like that will really just help like have a more even coverage. And with makeup as well, like I really do think it's quite a good thing to implement. I wouldn't use it every day, I don't think, because it is like a little bit aggressive, and I think it could just like hurt my face a bit if I did it every day. So I think maybe two, 3 times a week max I would use it. But I'm really excited to use like the body one, because obviously that's quite big, and I think that'd be so good for like exfoliating the body. The whole thing is waterproof, so like you can use it in the shower. So like with that one you can like exfoliate your legs or whatever in the shower and not worry that it's electric. So I think that's really cool. I think using the pumice stone one would be quite interesting for like your feet. Yeah, so my sort of like Worth It Wednesday opinion is that it is really good. It's definitely really made my skin feel so soft, and I love that, because, you know, soft face, really nice. And also hopefully this will help like clear up any spots I have, / prevent spots I have, because if it's getting rid of all the makeup, like you guys saw what was on the brush thing at the end, like there was quite a lot of makeup on it, and like hopefully that just gets rid of like anything that's on my skin still. So yeah, I would definitely say it's worth it. I would say definitely use my discount code. So if you type in Georgie70 at checkout, it will save you 70%. So instead of it being $90, I think this takes it down to like $28.90 or something. So for us UK lot, I'm not really too sure on what the conversion rate is, but I think $28 is about £25 maybe a bit less. And shipping to the UK was really quick, really easy. So yeah, I really like this product, and I thought it's really made my skin feel lovely, which is great. If you guys have used this before, like let me know what you think, let me know how many times you use it a week. So yeah, my overall opinion is that this definitely is worth it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.